Did you know that in 2009, a groundbreaking study conducted by researchers from Harvard, Yale, and Duke universities discovered a fascinating psychological phenomenon now known as the IKEA effect? The researchers found that when participants assembled furniture themselves, they tended to value the final product more than if it had been pre-assembled. This simple act of self-assembly had a profound impact on how people perceived the value of their work, proving that the effort we invest in creating something can significantly influence our attachment to it. Hey rational rebels! Welcome to the arena of reason, the very place we train our minds to spot cognitive pitfalls. This is Chris from Critical Conditioning, where we strive for cognitive precision and free our minds from that mental prison. Today, we're diving into the IKEA effect, a fascinating psychological phenomenon that explores how we tend to overvalue things we've put effort into building or creating ourselves. We'll uncover the intriguing insights behind this effect and its implications for our everyday choices and behaviors. Before we delve into this captivating topic, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our mind-strengthening content. If you find our podcast valuable, consider supporting us through PayPal using the link in the description. Your support helps us continue our mission of promoting rational thinking. Also, please share this episode with someone you know who might be interested in understanding the IKEA effect. Let's share knowledge together. Let's get started. Now, let's dive deeper into the IKEA effect to understand its implications and how it manifests in various aspects of our lives. In their study, the researchers found that participants who built their own IKEA furniture placed a higher value on the finished products than those who simply purchased the pre-assembled versions. This finding highlights the power of personal investment and labor in shaping our perception of value. Another study conducted by researchers from Cornell University and the University of Michigan in 2012 reinforced the IKEA effect's existence. Participants in this study were asked to make origami creations and then bid on their own creations as well as those made by others. The results showed that participants were willing to pay more for their own origami, even when the quality of their work was inferior to that of others. The IKEA effect can be observed in various real-world examples. 1. Homeowners who spend their weekends on DIY projects often feel a stronger sense of pride and satisfaction in their homes, as they have personally contributed to its improvement and upkeep. 2. Artists and musicians typically place a higher value on their own creations, as they have invested considerable time and effort into producing them. 3. People who cook their meals from scratch are more likely to appreciate and enjoy their food, as they have played an active role in the preparation process. 4. Entrepreneurs who start businesses from the ground up often have a strong attachment to their companies, as they have invested substantial time, energy, and resources in building them. 5. Parents who invest significant time and effort in raising their children often have a deeper emotional connection to their offspring, as a result of their personal investment. 6. Sports enthusiasts who actively participate in their chosen activity, rather than merely watching from the sidelines, typically feel a stronger sense of achievement and satisfaction in their involvement. 7. Collectors who spend considerable time and effort acquiring rare or unique items often place a higher value on their collections due to the personal investment they have made in building them. Now that you understand the IKEA effect and how it influences our perception of value, it's essential to be aware of its potential pitfalls and learn how to spot it and not fall victim to it. Be mindful of the time and effort you invest in projects. While the IKEA effect can lead to increased satisfaction and pride in your work, it's crucial to balance the time and effort you invest in a project with the actual value and usefulness of the end result. Practice objective evaluation. When assessing the value of something you've created or worked on, try to evaluate it objectively, considering its quality and worth from an unbiased perspective. Seek feedback from others. Getting feedback from friends, family, or colleagues can help you gauge the true value of your work and avoid overvaluing it due to your personal investment. Understand the limitations of your skills, recognize that you might not be the best person for every task, and consider outsourcing or seeking professional help when necessary to achieve the best possible outcome. In conclusion, the IKEA effect is a powerful psychological phenomenon that can shape our perception of value and attachment to the things we create. By understanding this effect and being mindful of its potential pitfalls, you can make more informed decisions about the projects you undertake and the time and effort you invest in them. So, the next time you embark on a DIY project, keep the IKEA effect in mind and remember that your attachment to the project may not accurately reflect its true value. So, rational rebels, what do you think about this effect? Do you know a story or have an experience of yourself or someone you know who fell for this effect? Let me know and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or want to help the channel grow. Hit the bell to not miss anything and share the video to spread awareness or send it to someone who could benefit from this episode. Please consider making a donation via the PayPal link in the description. Your support means the world to me and helps create more critical thinkers in this world. Keep your mind sharp, subscribe to become a rational rebel, until the next time we meet in the arena of reason. This is Chris from Critical Conditioning, signing off.